customizing your ad blocking experience with ABP filter list files. These define which advertisements and tracking elements get blocked in your browser. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to use these Adblock Plus filter list files to enhance your web browsing privacy. Our ultimate goal is to simplify the process by leveraging the advanced capabilities of one ABP file inspection software that works reliably across numerous file types. An ABP file is a plain text file containing a list of filters used by the Adblock Plus browser extension. Users subscribe to these lists to block advertisements, trackers, and other unwanted web content. The file contains rules that tell the browser which elements to hide or which network requests to block. The ABP format is a simple line-delimited text file. Each line represents a specific filtering rule written in Adblock Plus's filter syntax. This text-based design was chosen for its human readability, ease of editing, and platform independence, allowing filter lists to be easily shared, updated, and parsed by the extension. eyeo. GmbH defined Adblock Plus as the main handler for ABP files. Native Windows tools are insufficient for viewing all the file's raw data. Windows may display structured text, but interpreting the meaning relies on external guidance. To guarantee the file opens, right-click your ABP file and select Open With. Check for Adblock Plus first. If it is absent, select another program. A systematic check of installed tools is vital. If your ABP file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. If the file is still refusing to open, we are focused on just 3 major problems. We'll explore every common culprit and conduct the diagnostic step for it. First, installing an Adblock Plus. Click the ABP file or paste its URL into Adblock Plus through the extension settings. Adblock Plus prompts to subscribe to the filter list. Confirm the subscription and the filters activate immediately, providing enhanced ad blocking based on the imported rules with automatic updates from the filter list source. Next, editing as text. Open ABP files in any text editor like Notepad++ or VS Code to inspect or modify filter rules. The plain text format with filter syntax enables custom rule creation, testing, and refinement. Save modified files and reload in Adblock Plus to test custom filtering behavior for specific websites or content types. Finally, sharing filter lists. Distribute custom ABP filter lists by hosting them on web servers and sharing the URL. Users subscribe by clicking the link or adding the URL in Adblock Plus settings. This enables community-developed filter lists targeting specific languages, regions, or content categories, enhancing the global ad blocking ecosystem. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.